Yes, good morning, pioneers. This morning, I want to take you through uh, some lessons. Get pen and paper such that you can note down something. You see, um, this is what we call dashboard. In the dashboard, you are able to see the number of pi that you are mining. You are also able to see the rate at which you are mining per hour. Like, say, for example, this account is mining pi at 0.02 pi per hour, and the person has no any referral, only is mining with the upline. The somebody referred her, and the security is 20%. You can see the 20%. You see, look at the icons on your right. Then there's invite here. When you want to invite new person, you want to invite new person, you can tap invite here. You see, invite new person. You can come to WhatsApp, okay, and maybe send to the person that you want here, okay. You can also be able to see who are those ones mining with you. Like, say, for example, this account is mining with only the sponsor. Here you can check below. Then you see referral team. You have invited 0 new pioneer so far. Your referral team has 1 members. One out of 1 are currently mining. So you can also ping inactive members. If you have somebody under you, you see, you tap on ping inactive members. Pinging means you notify the person that, hey, you have forgotten to mine. So you tap mine. The person will see your message that you want them to mine. Then they will actually go and mine. Then when you tap on security, this badge which looks like Seno badge or Manu badge, may not be certain, or school badge. You see, you see, like here, your contribution to the network security, it is saying weak because the person only have the upline whom the person is mining with. So you can always add existing per user to your security circle, but you must make sure that this person you are adding in the security has already done KYC or is a very serious pioneer who's likely to complete the process of KYC. Those are the only type of people you must add them as your referral team. Security circle. Don't just add people because you want to increase the mining rate. If you add many people and those many people are not ready to complete KYC, you won't get the pie that you are mining with them. This is a real money, and the system always wants you to be very, very serious. Then when I tap the green button here will show the calculation. The system calculates for you how much pi you earn, how much time you are remaining with for the next mining session. Like you can see here, base rate. Base rate, we are now having 0.0031 pi per hour. That's the normal rate. Everybody mines at that. Even if you don't have a referral team, everyone mine at that. Then the booster, the mining rate, the base mining rate is multiplied by the boosters. And for this case, this booster is 611.69% times the reward that you are given. You see here, the reward is 1 security circle, 1 person times 20. So each person in the security circle is multiplied by 20%, okay, to increase your mining rate. And the lockup reward also boosts your mining rate. So like this account has locked up to 90%, and that has given the person the boost of 491.69% increase. Because you can see here, you can come to configure, then you can see here. Remember, if some people are not aware, they just complete the mainnet checklist, but they don't know what they are doing. You must make precise decision. If you want to lock your pi for 25% of the pi you have mined, like say for example this 195 pi 0.1, this person locked 90% of it. For how many years? For 3 years. So the person has only left 10%, that when this pi is migrated, she will be able to use only 10%. Then the 90% will be locked for the next 3 years. And imagine this account has completed 539 mining sessions so far, ever since the person started mining. You see, this is 1 year plus, almost 2 years, and the person has only 195 pi. You see, and the system says you have completed 539 mining sessions so far. Lockup duration countdown will begin after the transfer of to the mainnet. After transfer to the mainnet has completed, including any pending period, your previous lockups will affect your overall lockup reward. The lockup design and formula are subject to small changes. So after the second migration, after the first migration, you can adjust this in the second migration. So once you lock, you have locked. You can't change again. You can go upward but not backward. That's what is it. So the lockup status committed. This setting is binding and will apply to your first transfer to mainnet. So there will be no any change. You see, and the system is automatic. So dear pioneers, know what you are doing. Okay, know what you are doing. Down here we have rewards, which is 1.25, what the person gets. Pioneer, every pioneer is entitled to 1 pi as a reward calculation. Then the referral team, whoever you bring in your team, will be adding 20% to your reward. Then whenever you go, you see, like here you see utility usage bonus. Whenever you go to ecosystem apps and you open those apps, you will be in position to be enjoying more rewards here, the bonuses, and your mining rate will keep increasing because you are taking your time. The system sees that you are taking any activity that you do within the Pi ecosystem, you are appreciated. Like maybe validators, as a validator, you are appreciated. As somebody who's playing games in the Pi app ecosystem, somebody who's trying to do research, maybe at or Bizolende Digital Master, you want to know what Pi is, you can go there, Bizolende Digital Master, and ask all sorts of questions concerning Pi or concerning blockchain technology, or asking whether government is able to accept Pi coin in the country. So you can ask also. Whenever you use those services, you will be in position to increase your mining rate. Then the node bonus, those who are running Pi nodes are also able to increase their mining rate. But for this case, this person is not utilizing the ecosystem, is not utilizing the Pi node, so is only herself and the referral member. So let's get to the next. Here is pie chart. You see pie chart. You can open the chart where you can see in the general charts. You can see general charts. You can see what people are asking, Pi core team, moderators, the struggle which pioneers are going through. You see, some are being guided, some ask questions which are not they are not serious questions, but some questions are very serious. So all when you ask questions, either the moderator will respond to you or your fellow pioneer. Here also, you can join if you're in my team. If Obizolende is the one who referred you, you can be able to chat with him or with his team in the pie chat, Obizolende pie chat. You see, I don't know why it isn't taking long to open, but I expected it to open here. My internet is a bit weak. I think I've succeeded to open. It is authenticating with Pi. Let's see this chart. So you see here, frequently asked question. You can tap here and see the frequently asked question. We have general chart, which is in English. You can always open it. Check. You can always open it and always read what pioneers are saying. See, you may not be alone whose Pi has late to be migrated. You may not be alone whose Pi have taken long to do KYC. Many pioneers are struggling, and of course, you will always be alerted by the moderator or the Pi core team. You see, like this message is warning people about scam. Protect your Pi. Stay alert. Scammers are misusing the Pi name and logo to trick users. Stay safe. Never share your Pi app password or wallet passphrase. Pi network will never ask for your passphrase outside the Pi network's checklist or Pi wallet in the Pi browser. Store it safely outside your phone. Avoid unverified stores and wallet transfers. Do not send Pi to others based on promises or products or services. Most are scams. Watch out for fake apps and websites. Some apps look like Pi network but designed to steal your information. Only use links from the official Pi app or verified channel. Report scams here. This link here, you can report scam. Stay safe, stay informed, stay secure, protect your Pi. You see, this pioneer is asking, hello friends, I am new. I am new here. Can anyone brief me how to work on this platform? Please. You see, he's new, he needs help. This one saying, take your time and read every topic in the mod frequently asked questions above screen. You see, if Fast Wallet is compromised, then there is no meaning for using it. To do any transaction, it will be stolen again. So once your Fast Pi Pi wallet has been compromised, you can go and create new wallet and get the new passphrase. But you must be very sure that indeed your wallet has been compromised, because once it is compromised, you won't be able to use that wallet once again. Let's get back. So we are back on the home screen, and you see this pioneer is seriously mining every day, and with the 195 Pi, that's quite a good number of Pi. You see, if we say dashboard or imbaga or dashboard, these three lines here on top left, if you want to see what is in your back office is where all your details concerning Pi can be seen or can be found. So you tap it, and when you tap it, you will see how to change language here. You don't want English and you want other languages, you can change. You see, But of course, most of us speak English, so you can just change to English. So we have here in the back office, we have change app language, home page. Home, it means you are going back to home screen. Then Mainnet, you are going to Mainnet checklist to see, like say for example, I tap Mainnet checklist, you will be able to see your balance dashboard, unverified balance, transferable balance, then migrated. Then you will be able to check your Mainnet checklist. You have to make sure that all these step 9 in the Mainnet checklist, they are all done. Okay, and how do you know that they are all done? You can see number 1 green, you have downloaded Pi browser, make sure it is green. Then you have created Pi wallet, number 2 is green. You confirm that Pi wallet, you confirm. Now how do you confirm? You just open it, okay, then you put the passphrase, you long press and put your passphrase there, you put your passphrase there, then you tap confirm. Then it will send for you an email. Okay, it will send for you an email. It will send for you an email. Then when it sends for you an email, you pick that code, you come and put it here and you confirm it. You tap confirm. Okay, yes, but this one is already done. Then you go to number 4 to lock up. You see, you must lock up. Now people here, you people, I don't know why you are in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. It is very simple. Pi is not running and you are not dying today. Lock your Pi maybe to 90% such that you can be getting more Pi. But you find somebody has locked 25% or 50% for 2 weeks or 6 months, and getting even 10 Pi will take the person 2 years. Why should you mistreat yourself like that? This is a long-term investment. This is a long-term goal. This is a long-term thing. So boost it to 90% for 3 years. Then after the first migration, you can now adjust, because you will have indeed benefited from higher rate. You will have collected more Pi. You see, like this Pioneer, 1 year and some months, the person is already having 100 plus Pi. This is a good number of Pi. If you have been mining Pi for more than 1 year and you still don't have 100 Pi, there's something wrong with you. Okay, there's something wrong with you. Better consult Obizolende Digital Master. Go and ask Obizolende Digital Master, why have I mined Pi for the last 1 year but I'm not still having 100 Pi? Obizolende Digital Master will tell you why you have not done that. I mean, why you don't have 100 plus Pi, and it will guide you what to do in order to increase your mining rate. So that is number 4. Then we come to number 5. Number 5, you need to secure your account. Secure your account you can do in 3 ways. You can secure using your mobile phone, the phone number you use for registration. You can do with email, and you can also do with Facebook. You can do all the 3, okay, if you can. But normally with the phone, sending code sometimes is refusing, okay. But with the email and Facebook is very, very okay. Then here, acknowledgement. You have also to acknowledge that yes, the wallet I've created is mine, the account I've created is mine, and I'm willing to use Pi as it is in the white paper. You see, that is here. Then also we have number 7, submit your KYC. This is where people are messing up. You see, why do you mess up? We have admins here. We have senior pioneers here who can help you go through the KYC and you successfully pass it. Why do you go alone and do a lot of mistakes? Sometimes when pioneers contact me, that yes, admin, please help me. I do KYC. I tried myself. I've done everything possible, and you see somebody saying, it is nagging me, you see, it is pissing me up. No, you are not doing the right thing. Do consultation. Get in touch with admin or any senior pioneer who's able to help you manage this. Remember, this is money. And if you don't want to put some input, then you will lose it all. You will lose it all. If you want to be helped, be ready to be helped. If you value your future, make sure you complete these steps. Once you have applied, application means that filling the form, the KYC form, taking the photo of your national ID or national ID card or passport or driving license. Okay. Then number 8, after submitting, number 8 will the KYC result. You will wait for the KYC result. This does not take even 15 minutes unless there's an issue with your name in the PI account and in the document. Okay, or there's somewhere which was not done properly during the filling of the form, the document. So within 15 minutes, this number 8 will change. Then number 9 will turn green, yellow or golden color. You see, so once it has turned yellow, it means you have completed the task, the 9 task which the system wants you to do. This is what they call KYC. You see, complete the Mainnet checklist. The system has to check you. Are you really doing the right thing? Are you really doing the right thing? I want everybody to watch this video to understand what I'm saying, the direction that I'm giving here. I want us all to be rich, to be wealthy. All these number of us in Pi Network, we must all be very wealthy people, and we must form a community of wealthy people. And I know in future we shall be very helpful in our communities. So number 9, you need not to do anything. When number 9 has turned yellow or it has turned this golden color, the system automatically will migrate you. Here it says to migrate to Mainnet. Congratulations, you have been added to the automatic migration queue. Your transferable balance will be migrated into your wallet on the Mainnet blockchain. Blockchain, that's now the Pi browser where you created the Pi wallet. In number 2, you remember number 2, you created in the Mainnet checklist number 2, you created the wallet, and that's where the blockchain is operating. After the transfer to the Mainnet, there will be a 14-day pending period. Now, if assuming this Pioneer account, this Pioneer's Pi was migrated today or is migrated today, it will be pending for 14 days. Those are 2 weeks without the Pioneer accessing this Pi at all. The 10% she cannot access. You see? Then after 14 days, after the 2 weeks, the 10 Pi will be left available. Then the 90% of the Pi migrated will be locked for the next 3 years. So after the 3 years, then the system continues to say the unlocked portion will be free to use immediately after the 14-day pending period. The Pi which is available, my people, dear pioneers, you will be able to spend it to buy product and services, you see, at any time. Right now, Pi is money. You can put it into money, you see, depending on what you want. Let us be realistic here. Pi is money. You can exchange it to anything that you want in the world at the moment, okay? Then it continues to say, while the locked portion will be transferable only after the expiration of your selected lockup duration. It means if the Pi is migrated today, the person today is Today is 14th of December 2025. 14th of December 2026, that's 1 year. 14th of December 2027, those are 2 years. 14th of December 2028, those are 3 years. Then on the last day, the pie will be unlocked for the person and you can spend it the way you want. Status in queue. The person has been placed in the queue. There are people who have done pie KYC before her. Maybe she delayed to do, or the phone had a problem, you see, and she joined the line late. So she has to wait. The Pi Core team is processing users before you and finalizing your account preparation for migration. So this is what we call Mainnet. And you see here, for those who have not completed KYC, you will always see here deadline to migrate your Pi. You see? What is this deadline all about? It is here. You can tap and read. Complete your migration to keep your Pi. This timer indicates how much time you have left in your 6-month grace period to complete all the steps in the Mainnet checklist. This timer will be paused for specific system issues, preventing you from taking the necessary next step. Learn more about the 6-month grace period, okay, in this blog. So you can tap this blog and read more about it. Failure to complete your KYC and Mainnet checklist will result in the permanent loss of all Pi and the Pi bonuses accumulated prior to the grace period. So the grace period is only 6 months. Once you have the account and you qualify for KYC, they give you grace period for 6 months. And once you fail the 6 months, you will lose. You will have lost that Pi. So which means that those who are registering now, those who are still waiting for KYC, once you have seen the system is asking you to complete your KYC, please contact the admin or senior pioneers near you immediately. Write for us in the group. Then admin will respond and you can chat with the admin in the inbox and you agree how to be helped. Okay? Don't waste time, dear pioneers. We are building an economy. We are building world economy. We want to change your community. The money you will get in Pi can help you change the community that people have failed to change for centuries. It will be you who will be in position to make this work. Okay? Then we have in the Pi browser, okay? You want to go through your Pi browser via Pi network app. You just come here and you tap, okay? And will tell you proceed. You sign. When you sign it, it will take you, okay? You leave it to run by itself. The system is interconnected. It is interconnected, okay? You let it to run, give it some time, okay? If in case you don't have the Pi browser, when you tap there, it will take you to Play Store Direct to ensure that you are able. So you see, automatically it has brought me to Pi browser and I'm able to see the wallet here. You see? And then I'm able to open this. I can open this once I have the passphrase. So you can see all this. I can go back here. I get back to Pi. Pioneers, be serious. Never let anybody lose his Pi or her Pi. Ignorance should not kill pioneers. Most of us think we know much. We don't know. Every day is a day for learning. You know, somebody who gave you Pi is not stupid, is not fake, is not a fool. He wants to help you change your life. Now, I also want to go here, inside here, okay? I want to go inside here. You will be able to see all your information here. You see here? For you to know that everything is okay, check the password, ticked. KYC identity verification, ticked. Email, ticked. Facebook, this person has not completed Facebook. Then phone number, ticked. So you must make sure that all this is done. You see? All this is done. Then we have your referral link here. The referral link, where to get, like how do I refer people. You can also, there's a share button here. You can still share with somebody via WhatsApp, Facebook, Bluetooth, Messenger, Instagram. You see, all this you can share with people. Okay? So this is the lesson for today. If there's feedback, please let us know, such that we see how to help you more. You can also watch, you see, like Pi Core team always give us update here. Of recent, we had hackathon. Hackathon is a competition. Okay. So it is a competition. People develop apps, usable apps, where Pioneer can spend their Pi in. You see. So we have those who have been able to qualify to create app, real app that is can use Pi. You see. So just make sure you watch this. You'll be updated. You can listen to it. This is it.
A privacy-first social and dating platform that offers a safe, anonymous way for pioneers to meet and interact. Conversations begin anonymously, and identities are shared only when both sides agree. With features like profiles limited to KYC-verified pioneers, Blind Lounge creates a gated environment for meaningful connections powered by Pi's large identity-verified network. Stymax takes second place as a Pi-powered loyalty platform that enables pioneers to spend Pi at local businesses and earn rewards. Merchants can create loyalty programs that fit naturally, helping them attract and retain customers. By linking spending and rewards directly to Pi, Stymax is a potential tool for tens of thousands of merchants integrated with Pi worldwide, a practical path toward local commerce growth. Third place goes to Run for Pi, a fast-paced runner game using Pi directly in its in-game economy. Players spend Pi on boosters, levels, and prize pools, creating a gameplay loop tied to real utility. With familiar mechanics and competitive leaderboards, the game shows how gaming can support recurring interactions with Pi, tapping into the Pi community for user acquisition while entertaining pioneers. 5 additional projects received honorable mentions and stood out for demonstrating clear, meaningful use cases for the ecosystem. Kindrek is a modern matchmaking and social platform, supporting romantic, friendly, and professional connections. Workflet for Pi is a productivity and collaboration platform where organizations can manage teams, projects, and client interactions. PallyPay simplifies bill splitting, group payments, and shared expenses through small-scale Pi transfers. SimpleJoy offers a curated library of open-source browser-based games that are fun, engaging, and easy to access. Agora Pulse is a community polling app where pioneers can create questions, share opinions, and vote on polls posted by others. Congratulations to all winners, honorable mentions, and participants. Pioneers can check out all hackathon submissions under the Hackathon 2025 tab in the Mainnet section of the ecosystem interface in the Pi browser. Learn more at mindpi.com/blog/hackathon2025 winners. Note that Pi apps are third-party applications that may still be in progress and are not official apps developed or endorsed by the Pi Core team. nor do they have any affiliation to Pi Network itself. Use of these apps is at your own discretion and risk.
Yes, so you can see, you can listen to all these, okay? You people pick interest in Pi. Don't take it as a joke. We have labored to ensure that we create this solid community since 2022. And now this community must remain solid forever. Okay? Make sure you have contact of other people here such that in case you lost the group, you can request that person to have the link back again. Never lose track, be focused, be inspired, be motivated. Inspire others, encourage others. Be active, and we shall all change what is unchangeable, what many have failed to change for a long period of time. Be happy, keep the fire burning. This is Obizolende Digital Technology bringing you this live training this morning. Let's go.